Welcome my dears of second grade for intermediate levels. Today inshallah we will have the second lesson, the first unit. Are you here on vacation? That's the title of the first unit. Today inshallah we will have another skill. As we said last time, we have different skills, or we focus on different skills in each unit. These skills all focus in one or two topics. So in our lesson for today we will have grammar. Yes, we will focus on the idea of simple present of the verb be. We will know how to form yes/no question and its short answers, and also we will know the other kind or other form of questions, which is information questions that start with who, how, why, when, where, and how. Okay, so that's the idea, or that's our lesson for today. Inshallah ta'ala, at the end of the session you will be able to form correct yes/no questions, and also you will be able to ask and answer general questions in the present simple of the verb be, and you will be able to use information questions correctly. We will use different kind of strategies and methods, okay? As it is grammar, we will use the deductive and inductive methods, and also we will use brainstorming, and we will discuss the examples we have here. Okay. My dears, I want you to read these examples with me. Okay, the first one, I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. Second one, number two, Riyadh is in Saudi Arabia. Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. Okay, now what's the time of these two examples? Yes, it's a simple present. How do you know? Yeah, I can guess, through the helping verb here, verb be. Okay, verb be help me now here to know the time. It's a present, it's simple present. Okay, now I have a question. Why do we use simple present with the verb be? Okay, so look at this example again. Riyadh is in Saudi Arabia. Is Riyadh in Egypt? No, it's in Saudi Arabia, so it's a fact. So something true. Okay, so what about this example? I am on vacation. I am in the class. Now I am in the class. Okay, so it's fact. My name is Turkey. Okay, it's fact. Okay, so we use simple present of verb be for these two reasons. Okay, to talk about situations and events that exist in the present now, or that are always true. Yes, it's a fact to say that Riyadh is in Saudi Arabia. Okay, now look at your books, page 4. You have this table. Yes, we have questions here with verb be. What kind of question do you see? Yes, it is yes/no questions. How do you know? All of these questions start with verb be. So it's yes/no question. Are you here on vacation? When I ask this form of a question, are you here on vacation? What's the answer? What are you going to answer me? You will see either yes or no. So yes for affirmative or no for negative. The same here when I say, is Ahmed happy in his new job? Is Ahmed happy in his new job? You will say, yes, he is, as short form. Or you will say, no, he isn't, as also a short form. Okay. Is it very cold in your country? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Is the museum open on Sundays? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Are you here for the festival? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are they from Egypt? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Okay, good. Remember, my dears, that we use contract here, not with is. Okay, to be like this form, he isn't. Okay, instead of saying he is not. Okay, good. Now, this is the first kind of a question, yes, no question. And how do we know that it is yes, no question? We have to start with helping verb or verb be. Verb be, okay. I want you now to remind me by the verb be, verbs of be. Yes, we talked about last year, and in the primary level, okay? We knew them. Look at this exercise here. Please pause the video and try to fill the gaps in your notebook, and we will see the answers together. Okay, come again and see the answer. What's the verb be here? It will be am. I am on vacation. You are on vacation. We, the same. It's a plural form, so we have to use are. The same here, we have they are on vacation. What about the last three pronouns here? We have to use he is on vacation, she is on vacation, it's on vacation. Okay, so these are verb be we use in the present simple. Okay, am, is, are. Some for the plural pronouns or nouns, and others for singular form, singular nouns or pronouns. Okay, good. Now, let's complete these sentences with real information. Please pause the video, write the note in your notebook these sentences, fill them with the real information. Okay, what are you going to write here? The same. Come again now, find the answers. We, in English class now, we is, no, it's are. Okay, we are in English class now. Again, we are in Spanish class. Okay, we will write nationality. I am Saudi, okay? I'm not Spanish. Okay, so these are the answers. Write them in your notebook. Good. And let's complete these sentences with real information again. Okay. Now, you have to focus on the meaning of these speech or these sentences here to choose the correct form of verb be, if it is affirmative or negative. Okay? So look carefully at these sentences. Dubai in Egypt. Dubai is singular, so I have to use is. But is it correct to use or to say Dubai is in Egypt, or to say isn't in Egypt? Okay, that's the answer. Yes, isn't. Dubai isn't in Egypt, it's in UAE. Okay, now we have a question as the gap at the beginning here, and we have question mark. Dubai in UAE. Okay, we will say is. Yes, correct. And the answer will be again is. Yes, it is. Okay, good. Toyotas, I have a gap here. Mexican. Toyotas, it's a brand of car. But here it's plural word. Okay, so we can guess or we can see that we have is here for the plural form. Okay, Mexican. So we have to say are. Okay, Toyotas are. Is it Mexican? as I know, it's Japanese, okay? So we can't say are, we have to say aren't. Aren't Mexican, yes. Again, here we have a question mark, okay? So we have to start with the verb be to have the answer of yes or no. We will say here, are tutors Canadian? No, they aren't, yes. Okay, look the answers here and write them in your notebook. Good. Now we will do these questions about real information about ourselves, okay? Pause the video, write this question and answer them about yourself, and we will see the answers. Okay, come again and say the answers. Are you from Jeddah? It will depend on you. Okay, if you are from Jeddah, you will say, yes, I'm from Jeddah. I'll answer for myself, I'll say no. No, I'm not, I'm from Riyadh. Okay. Are your parents in Dubai now? For me, no. Yes, they aren't in Dubai now. Okay, that's, no, they aren't. They are in Saudi Arabia. Okay, is your last name Zahrani? For me, I'll answer no. No, I'm not. I am, or my last name, Al-Fayfi, okay? So see the answer and write the family name or the last name depends on you, okay? That's the idea. Please copy these answers or write your answers for this question in your notebook. Okay, now we will have another idea. It's different kind of a question we use in the present simple with verb be. Okay, what kind of question we have here? It's information question. What do we mean by information question? Questions that start with specific words like how, why, when, where, and what. Okay, these are called the information question when we have questions start with these words. Okay, now look at these questions you have in your books, page 4. The second idea in the middle of page. How is it going? How is it going? How is it going? Start with how. What's your last name? Start with what? What? Okay. When is the festival? When is the festival? Okay. When? Where's your friend from? Where? Who's that tall man? Who's that tall man? Why is he here? Okay, so these questions called, as we said, information question because we can't answer with yes or no. We have to give information. Okay, look at the first question here. How is it going? It's like, what's up? How are you doing? How are you? The answer will be fine, thanks. But there is something you have to know. Look at the word house. Okay, we have apostrophe and s. It's contraction here with is. How plus is. Yes. So we can use the tools here of information question with is as in this way. We have here how is, it's how is it going? Okay. What's your last name? Again, we have contraction here. It's what plus is. Okay. What's your last name? It's Zahrani. Okay. When is the festival? When is the festival? It's contraction when plus is. Okay. Where's your friend from? Again, we have contraction. Where is your friend from? He is from Jeddah. Okay. Who's that tall man? Who is? Contraction. Who is? Okay. That's my uncle. Why is he here? Why is he here? It's contraction. Why is? Why is? He's here for the festival. So remember that we use the tools of information question: how, what, when, where, who, why, with the S, as in this way to form contraction. Okay, good. Now, can we use the same idea with are? No. Yes, we can't. Okay, so we can make contraction with is, but not with are. Okay, put it in your mind. We can't see her, water. Okay, we can't see that. Only with is. Okay, that's the idea of contraction. Is the tool of information question with the verb be is only. Good. Let's move to the exercise I have here. Okay, let's answer this question with real information. Okay, I have information question. You can guess that through the tools I use at the beginning of these questions. Okay, I use the tools of information question: who, what, where, when. But you have to use verb be, the correct one. Okay, now pause the video please and fill the gaps with the correct form of verbs. And let's do it again and see the correct answers. Okay, who, you. I think we can say who is. Okay, we have to say who are you? Who are you? Okay, what's your best friend's name? Yes, what's your best friend's name? Okay, where you from? Again, I have to say where are you from? Okay, when your English lesson. English lesson is a singular form, so I have to say when is your English lesson. Okay, good. Now let's give information about ourselves. Okay, I'll give you example for me. Okay, when we use the same idea here, I'll talk about myself. I am Turkey. I am Turkey. My best friend's name is Ali. I am from Saudi Arabia. My lesson is on Monday. Okay, good. That's the idea of using helping or verb be with some statements or sentences. Okay, good. Now let's move to next idea or the last part of our lesson for today, which is about activities or exercises. Look at your books, page 4. You have exercise A. Complete the conversation. Use the correct form of the verb be or short answers with be. You can use contractions. Then practice with a partner. I want you to try to do it by yourself and then come again to check the answers together. So pause the video and try to do it by yourself. Now let's see the answers, the correct answers for these gaps here we have in the conversation. First one, A, you here on vacation. What do you think? Are, yes, good. Are you here on vacation? Yes, good. Number B, no. The answer will be no. So, sure, it will be no. I am not here. Oh, sorry. No, I am here for the Writers' Festival. Yes, I am here for the Writers' Festival. Okay, so I, our verb P comes with the am would come to I. Okay, let's move to the next conversation I have here. It sounds like fun. So what? Your job. Okay, job is a singular, so I have to use are or is. Good, I have to use is. What about here? Number B. I, a novelist, and my friend, a poet. We here for the festival. I am a novelist, and my friend is good, a poet. We are here for the festival. Good. That's the first part of the conversation. What about the last sentence here, or last speech? It's a question, so I have to start with verb be. Okay, are you here for the festival or festival too? Okay, the answer will be no. Are you? You will say no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Okay, I am here for a vacation. Good. Also again, I am here with my friend too. We will see the answers. He is. You think? It's is, okay? He's there near the reception desk. He's there near the reception desk. Number B. It's a question. I have to start with verb be, okay? So which one I have to use? Is or are? Look, I have singular pronoun, he. So I think it will be is. Good. Is he the tall man in the red shirt? Okay. Yes. It will be yes, he is. Okay. Let me introduce you to him. These are the answers. Write them in your box, page 4. Okay. So that's or these are the correct answers. Now, exercise B. Interview a classmate. Ask for this personal information. Okay, find a partner, one of your family members or your classmate if you are in school, okay, or your sibling. So you will ask for a personal information. You will ask about name. What are you going to use or to say? When you ask me about my name, what are you going to say? What's your name? Good. What about number 2? Spelling the first and last name. Spell your first name. Spell your last name. You can use a polite expression. Can you spell your first name? Can you spell your last name? Good. We will see the correct answer. I want you to try it by yourself. I'm now trying to help you to form the question orally. Okay, number 3. Age and date of birth. You are going to ask about the age. So, if you want to ask me about my age, what are you going to say? What's your age? Okay, it's good. How old are you? Yes, it's a correct question. What about nationality? What's your nationality? It's acceptable, but you can use other form. You will say, where are you from? Yes, good. Where are you from? Address. What is your address? Good. Okay. Telephone number. Again, you will use information question here. You will say, or you will use the tool what. Okay, the word what. What is your phone number or telephone number? Okay. Number 7, email address. Again, it's information question. So you have to ask by what? what's your email address. And last one, occupation, your job. So all by using information question, and we will use different ones in depends on the information that you need. Okay, let's now see the answers of the person or the questions that you are going to ask your classmate. Okay, look at this question. We use what here with a contraction because it says, what's your name? How do you spell your first last name? How old are you? What's, all what's with the contraction. Okay, what's and what's. Okay, what's your nationality? What's your address? What's your telephone number? What's your email address? And what's your occupation? Pause the video or and repeat with me. Okay, what's your name? How do you spell your first last name? How old are you? What's your nationality? What's your address? What's your telephone number? What's your email address? What's your occupation? Good. I want you to do exercises on page 90 and 91 to improve your skill or idea of using verb P, either by in yes/no question or in information question. These exercises will help you to know how to form this question by using verb P in the present simple. Okay, deal. Okay, at the end I want to thank you all for joining our lesson of grammar. Remember, if you focus on a grammar, it will help you to speak and write correctly. Take care and see you soon.